Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Gionee Buddy STYLFIT GSW5 Pro smartwatch. This is the box that it comes in. There's an image of the smartwatch right on top. You can see it comes with a metallic framing and it's a rectangular display. This is actually a 1.69-inch full touch display. It's mentioned right over here. It also measures SpO2 levels, which is basically your blood oxygen saturation levels. And it comes with 100 plus watch faces, which are cloud-based. Basically, you have to download from cloud. And do we have any more information? Okay, over here it says it comes with, this particular smartwatch comes with IP68 waterproof rating, remote camera and music, smart notifications, gravity sensor, 24 hours heart rate monitoring, tracks menstrual cycle, sports and activity tracking mode, auto monitoring of sleep quality. Some more information here. This particular smartwatch comes with 1.69-inch TFT plus 2.5D curved screen, which I mentioned earlier. Standby time is 25 days, use time is 8 days, battery capacity is 220 mAh. System requirements iOS 9.0 or above or Android 4.4 or above. Basically any Android or Apple smartphone can be paired with this particular smartwatch. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. There you go, this is what you'll find inside the box. So let's quickly take a look at the different components. We have a warranty card for the GSW5 Pro smartwatch. It's an important document. And this is the user manual for the same. Everything that you want to know: operations, wearing method, download and pairing. Which brings me to the question of the app. The app that you have to download by scanning this QR code or by just going to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store is G-Buddy STYLFIT. That's the app you have to download to pair this particular smartwatch to your smartphone. There's also a very important document that tells you how to change smartwatches and how to use all the different sports modes and all the different heart rate monitors and SpO2 monitors. Also very important document, you should not lose this. This is the charging dock, a USB-A charging dock. There's USB-A connector on one side, and over here you have two magnetic pins. This is a magnetic charging dock, as you can see. So the idea is that when you want to charge this particular smartwatch, you will just have to connect these two magnetic pins to the two magnetic plates over here. You can see, there you go, two magnetic plates over here. Charge it like so and you should be good to go. Now let's take a look at the smartwatch. This is the 1.69-inch TFT display. I will turn this on. It doesn't seem to be turning on. Anyway, this I will probably have to charge it, but this is a pretty large dial. I mean, even on my wrist over here, it looks pretty large. 1.69-inch TFT display makes it look very classy. This has a metallic frame to it as well. So this is a very elegant and classy looking smartwatch. It's all black. This is the black variant. Comes with two very tough silicone bands as well. Super tough and flexible. I will show you the display. For that, I like to put this on charge. I will just connect it to a USB-A port on my laptop so that this gets charged. Let's quickly see if this happens. So the moment I put the charge on, you saw that it's showing the display. It has very little charge right now, as you can see. It's very little charge, but this is basically the watch face that you get by default. If you slide right, you will see all the different settings like that. This is for counting steps, this is for measuring sleep, heart rate monitor, and these are all the different sports modes as well. And there's also a shutter for the shutter option for the camera. This is the music player. What else do we have? This is the main page again. Swipe left. This is basically the menu. Once again, the same options, but in a menu format. You get steps, sleep, measure heart rate, sports modes, SpO2, weather, shutter, music player, stopwatch, alarm, countdown, flashlight. Let's see if the flashlight thing works. So yeah, this is basically the flashlight. Let's go to the settings and see what's there. The menu style, honeycomb. Let's click on honeycomb and see what that looks like. Brightness, let's increase the brightness so that you get a clear view of what we are doing. Actually no, it's too bright, I think. There you go, this is a little more. Yeah. This is better. Okay, this seems to be coming off. This is not the ideal way of charging this particular smartwatch. I mean, this has to be, you know, like this when you want to charge it, but I just want to show you the different menu options. What else do we have? So this is it, basically. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Gionee Buddy StyleFit GSW5 Pro smartwatch. Thank you for watching.